Here I am at Target, and I'd like to show you what they have on clearance. Let's take a look. So they have these felt. Okay, everything right now is 50% off and 30% off. So this seems to be the 50% off section. So they have these felt baskets. So I guess originally they're $3, so there must be $1.50. Then they have the bunny felt ones, and here are the unicorn ones. And that's what they have. And here's the truck ones, guys. I didn't even notice that. That's the truck ones. So that's pretty neat. So all of their baskets over here, these Decor ones, novelty ones, these are $3. And here's some more of the felt ones. Then you have these kind of baskets over here. So I'm not sure what this basket is. This one here. Not sure of the prices, but I know they're 50% off. So let me just show you what they look like. So this one, let's see, because the price is not on the tag. All right, it is on the tag. So this was $12. So that would be $6. And then here it is in this color. Then you have the wicker baskets down here. And then these, oh, look how pretty this is. Oh my God, that's so cute, 50% off. I would buy these for the kids for next year. Then you have your Easter eggs and these kind too. These are a little bit bigger. And then you have your paper shreds over here. So all this stuff is on clearance. And then here you have all of the candy. Now that stuff is 30% off, the candies. And the Easter egg candies, you know, they have the eggs now filled already with candy, and those are 30% off. Okay, so this is what that looks like, guys. So all of these peeps are 30% off. And look at these, they have sour watermelon. I don't think I ever saw these, guys. These sound delicious. And here's the raspberry delights. I don't even like peeps. Those flavors sound so delicious. This Easter sign here, $7. So here you have follow the bunny trail, which is really cute. Look, kindness counts. I like that stuff. Look at the eggs in size order with the little chick on the end. Then you have those. And then this one says hello spring. That's so sweet. I like these. So you have this wall decor here. This is $3. And then he is resin. These tie bags are $4, so it must be at least 30 to 50% off. And then you have these. I never seen these, guys. Aren't these adorable? Look at that. So it's $8, so it's 30% off of that. Then you have the little chick. This is like in a cardboard. So you have the chick basket. Then you have the paper plates, the bunnies, and the Easter eggs. And here's some more paper plates. And with the cutlery over here, and then you have the window clings. Those are $3. So all of this stuff. Oh, look at this bunny. Isn't he adorable? Okay, so these guys over here are 50% off. Oh, and look at the chick. He's so cute. All of the Hostess and the Oreo cookie, carrot cake, and all of the snacks. And even the goldfish display over here with the Hershey's and the Whoppers. Let's see what else they have. Yum Earth Organic Giggles. Those are nice. Starburst or Starburst packs. So we come here to the end. You have some more of the candy eggs. Like, yeah, you have the Twix egg over here. Isn't that nice? I don't think I've ever seen a Twix egg. And then you have the Sweet Tarts over here. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. And then you have the Pet Toys on the bottom. The Frozen. So that's really nice. And then you have the Hershey's Big Chocolate Bunny. And then these come in the different flavors. Those are all the sours. Russell Stouffer. Then over here you have the additional baskets that are on sale for 50% off. So you have the Ghirardelli candy. All of that is on sale. Godiva on the top over here. And this is really nice because this is organic stuff. So the Yum Earth Organic Gummy Fruits. Those are on sale too, 30% off. So that's really nice. These stuffed these stuffed that, what are they? This is like a lamb. Look at this one, guys. So these guys are on sale too, and here's some more of those felt baskets. Then you have some like basket stuffer toys. Those are 30% off. Look at this. This is a squishy. I love my squishies. And these are like the eggs, guys. The stuffed pillow eggs, 50% off. That's all. So I thought I'd show you guys what they have. Let me see if they have anything else. Nope, I don't see anything else. And then that also includes the Easter cards, the basket cards. So that's really nice. So guys, thank you for strolling with me through the Easter stuff that's on sale on clearance for 30 to 50% off. This is all the stuff that's left, guys. So head on over to your Target. Alright guys, so I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.